Hello, this is Mark. We're going to go over a tutorial that talks about creating documents locally and in OneDrive. And we're also going to cover sharing files and recovering deleted files, as well as creating a shared library for collaborating with your team. So let's get started. Click on the blue icon, and we're going to open up a folder. We're going to go to document like Word, and we're going to give it a name or some data, and then we're going to File and click on Save As. And now you have your choice of your computer, that's locally or OneDrive. So you would save it in either one of those two places. That's as simple as that gets. Now to share a file, we click on OneDrive, View Online, and you can see I haven't shared this file here, so I'm going to click on that one, and I'm going to click on the three dots, and you can click on Share. Here you can invite people, so you can put in email addresses, and it's going to pull up email addresses that it knows about that's in your Shaklee account, or you can also invite external people. And you can click on the options below here, and you can require a sign in, share everything in the folder, and then send an email invitation. Up here you can click on View or Edit. View means they can only read it. Edit means they can modify it and save it back. So that's that. So to restore a file you may have deleted, you click on the recycle bin. Check the one you want to restore, and then restore selection right here. And it'll give you a prompt that you're sure you want to do this, but that's as simple as that gets, and it goes right back into your wherever it came from, actually. So to share or create a shared library, you go to the blue icon, View Online, click on Documents, scroll down to Create a Shared Library, give it a name, enter members, and you can down here make it either private or public for anyone in the organization, or for people that you've added here. For here I have just one person, Marco, and they just create. And you can see it's creating and opening it. And that's it. You can collaborate with your team members by sharing this folder.